Welcome back to Big Jimmy. You can call me DJ. You've seen the title. You know what this video is all about. I want to ask you a question, and that simply is, who would be on your Mount Rushmore of cigar content creators? And this is a question to the audience, the people in the comment section down below, and any other content creators in our industry here. Because I was thinking about this the other day. If you had to break it down to four people that have been influential, at least on... I apologize.
This is the good. This is the good.
Four most influential people, at least on the online content space, right? And I'm saying content creators because I didn't want to just say YouTubers. There's people who do pictures and things of that nature, and I wanted to open the door up for everyone. So on my Mount Rushmore of content creators, I think you got to start out with the two people, and I'm going to cheat. My first is two people combined as one person. Get over it. Because I think there would not be all of the current generation of content creators online in this industry if it was not for these people. So number one, I'm going to put Tim and Bradley, the Tim and Bradley Cigar Show from TNT Cigars. I'm smashing them together because if it wasn't for Tim and Bradley at TNT, I never would have had my first stick. The reason my first video I ever watched was how to cut a cigar without a cutter, because I didn't have one. And if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have lit my first stick. So I think they're just so influential on all of the current people who are making content now. Maybe not even directly. I think there's several people who have no idea, right? Who are making content right now, who have no idea what TNT even was. They have no clue because it's before their time. But because of TNT, there's people like me. Boom, TNT Cigars would be the first one on there. I think you have to give it to Brian Glenn, because he is kind of the OG. There might have been someone before him, but there was never someone as long as him. So I would go TNT, I'd go Brian Glenn, I'd go the modern day Brian Glenn, which is Cigar Hound Dog, who I think his dedication to content creation, ain't nobody touching that. Ain't nobody touching that with a 10-foot pole. That little robot just goes. He just goes and goes and goes. And the dude genuinely loves the community and genuinely loves the leaf. So I think Hound Dog's got to be on there. Now, for the fourth person on this list, I bet most y'all are saying I'd pick me. And quite frankly, I don't know, maybe I do deserve to be on it. But there would be no me if there was no Lee. And that's just a fact. I wouldn't be making content online if it wasn't for Mr. Lee Mack. Now, I don't always agree with Lee Mack, but that doesn't mean he doesn't deserve to be on that mountain, because he's been on there and doing this content creation thing for quite some time as well, and I genuinely wouldn't have started my channel. I watched these people like Brian Glenn who had very concise reviews, and I watched them and I was like, yeah, it couldn't be me. And then I saw Lee Mack ramble about f*** off for just a long ass period of time, 30+ minute long videos, and I went, I could do that. That I could do. Be concise to bat, and be boring as hell? Nope. But I can get on a camera and talk shit as much as I want to. So there wouldn't be a me if there wasn't for Lee. So because of that, my four people got to be TNT Cigars, the Tim and Bradley Cigar Show, Cigar Obsession, Matt from Cigar Hound Dog, and Lee Mack 912. Let me know in the comment section down below what would be your Mount Rushmore of cigar content creators. And that's free for anyone else who makes videos. Feel free to do this idea too, 'cause I think it's kind of fun. And who knows, people might find someone they may not have known about before. See y'all in the next one.
I'm the villain they mimic but never can finish. I'm limitless, intricate, every percentage is venomous. Timid, I'm militant, grinning, belligerent, killing it quick with a flick of the wrist. I'm magnificent, better than all of them, call it benevolence. No, it's malevolent, settling scores with irrelevance. Cocky as fucking, I love it, I'm shoving it down in they throat like a punishment. Running and gunning and stunning with thunderous arrogance. I'm the one they can't measure, pressure turns lesser, men brittle.